Next, move on to the important part, that is synthesis of this compound. The starting material for the synthesis is this one. This is called as methyl 2-hydroxybenzoate and commonly it is called as methyl salicylate. This compound reacted with acetyl chloride in presence of AlCl3. It is a very familiar reaction and is known by the name Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction for preparation of aromatic ketones. So when the Friedel-Crafts reaction takes place, this acetyl group CH3CO will get attached at this position, that is position number 4. This is because this hydroxy group is ortho-para director, so for this it is the para position. This ester group COOR is a meta director, so for this is the meta position. So activation is at position number 4 and therefore the attachment of acetyl group takes place at position number 4 to give us this product, that is a ketone. Here you can see that the CH3CO group is attached at the position number 4. This ketone then is reacted with aqueous HBr, that is the aqueous solution of hydrogen bromide. That means HBr is added to the water molecules and this reaction takes place in presence of dimethyl sulfoxide, which is a aprotic solvent. The reaction takes place in such a way that these two hydrogens, here you can view, these two alpha hydrogens are replaced by two hydroxyl groups to give us this dihydroxy derivative. This dihydroxyl derivative then is reacted with tertiary butylamine. Here you can see the tertiary butylamine is there, which reacted with this molecule. The reaction takes place in such a way that these two hydroxyl groups reacted with two hydrogens of tertiary butylamine to release the two water molecules, and thus there is generated a double bond between this carbon and the nitrogen of butylamine to give us this imine, that is the compound containing both the double bond between carbon and nitrogen. In this structure you can find the presence of two double bonds over here. One is between this carbon and nitrogen and one is between carbon and this oxygen. When this derivative reacted with a reducing agent sodium borohydride, the sodium borohydride reduces this CH double bond N, that is the imine, into the CH2NH, and it also reduces this carbonyl group C double bond O into CHOH. That means this imine gets converted to amine and this carbonyl group gets converted to alcohol. So this gives us the formation of our next compound, this one. Here you can view that the reduction takes place in presence of ethyl acetate. The reducing agent used is sodium borohydride. It brings reduction of both the carbonyl group to CHOH and reduction of CH double bond N, that is imine, into the amine. So this derivative is obtained after reduction by sodium borohydride. When this molecule reacted with lithium aluminium hydride, that is LiAlH4, in presence of tetrahydrofuran, the reduction of this ester group takes place. Now it is very well known that for reduction of ester to alcohol, we always use lithium aluminium hydride, which is a very important selective and very expensive reducing agent. It is especially used to reduce only the ester to the alcohol. So, with reaction with lithium aluminum hydride, the ester group, that COOCH3 gets converted into CH2OH. And with this, we will get formation of our title compound, sal-butamol.